Some facts about the country are the people of Mexico are descendants of the Aztecs and the Mayans. It is the 14th largest country of the world. Most houses in Mexico are made of wood. Public schools do not offer bus transportation or provide lunches. Lots of middle class people sell products on busy roads and streets to make money. Other facts about the people of Mexico are over half of the country's population is part Roman Catholic religion. In most households, it is usually the men who bring in the income to provide for their family. Lots of people there run their own company like food stands and mechanic shops. What I experienced was in a lot of local restaurants, there isn't a lot of water offered. Most places only carry soda and other sugary beverages. That must be a big reason why diabetes is one of the 2 major causes of deaths in the country. I've also experienced seeing a lot of neighborhoods not being well as developed versus neighborhoods here. Lastly, I've observed that many fast food places do not have the usual lids, ketchup packets, and straws out on the counter. The reason for that is many people like to take a large quantity of them and sell them to other people to make money. It's clear that there is a big culture change over there than there is here. What I saw was in Mexico were both eye-opening and beautiful. The main thing I saw in Mexico was that many people there did not own a car due to jobs and markets being close by, so lots of people walk everywhere. That is a normal thing for them. I also saw that many homes do not have a typical washer and dryer. Since the weather is so hot over there, many families who wash their clothes in the sink and hang them up to dry. The most beautiful thing I ever saw was that there were many street festivals and music during the late hours. Vegetation found there. There are many types of vegetation found in Mexico because of all the rain and high temperatures there. Some common plants found there are the cactus, mesquite trees, and shrubs. Most plants found there are plants that you usually find in deserts because the climate is very similar. Animals found there. There are a variety of animals found in Mexico, but the main one I saw a lot was stray dogs on the streets that owners have abandoned, but there are also wild animals found there like pumas, wolves, jaguars, and iguanas that are found in other areas of Mexico. There are actually some restaurants that are animal themed and have real life animals to see. The political parts of Mexico. The politics of Mexico are dominated by 3 political parties: the National Action Party, the Party of Democratic Revolution, and the Institutional Revolution Party. The Mexican government does not always see the big problems in their country. For example, the roads are very bad over there and have giant potholes, but no one seems to do anything about it. Also, there are some children who only attend school up to 6th grade because you need to pay money in order to have further education. So the government there does not provide free public education like they do here. The little things we have here, like reduced lunches and nice roads, they don't have over there because of where their government is. Economic. The currency there is peso. The gross domestic product is 1.26 trillion. Gross national income is 1.97 trillion. The GDP growth rate is 1.1%, and internet users is 43.5% of the population. Culture. The culture of Mexico is very different from the United States. The Mexican culture consists of many ethnic groups. Many people live in cities, but others live in rural areas. Today in Mexico, about 92.7% of Mexicans speak Spanish, and another 6% speak other languages. Down in Mexico, the people there put a high value on structure, business, and family matters. Mexico is most known for their main food, tacos. Their main staple foods are corn, beans, and rice. Social. The social part of Mexico is almost the same as it is here in the United States. Both in Mexico and the United States, people live in poverty but also have a chance to study at a university. In Mexico, there are 115 million people in poverty and 4 million people who study in a university. So, the social aspect of money income has changed in the population. Even though there are many people in poverty, there is still communication. Most people in Mexico communicate by walking to their new location and talking face to face, but very few people talk on the phone because they're very expensive. But the one thing that brings everyone together in Mexico is partying with family and friends. That's just a way to show you care over Mexico.